the device doesn't charge. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. To loosen the adhesive, we use a plastic triangle opening tool. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. We remove the plastic protection from the top of the device. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. With the help of the spudger, we remove the sub-motherboard. We release the screw. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.